Are you looking to make money online without showing your face? VidAvatar AI is revolutionizing content creation. With this powerful tool, you can easily create faceless videos and earn more profit than ever before. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful niches where VidAvatar AI videos can earn you $1,000 plus per month, without a camera, scripts, or even voiceovers. Let's dive in. The first niche is AI-powered educational videos. Education is one of the most in-demand niches. People are searching for easy-to-understand lessons on math, science, coding, and languages. VidAvatar AI can deliver high-quality, engaging content with professional voiceovers in multiple languages. You can create explainer videos, tutorials, or language lessons, and monetize through YouTube, AdSense, online courses. In this niche, you can earn easily $1,000 to $5,000 per month by ad revenue or course sales. Okay, now about niche 2, motivational and self-improvement content. Motivation never goes out of style. AI avatars can deliver daily inspiration, productivity hacks, and mindset coaching. Just add powerful storytelling, stock footage, and background music to create viral videos that get millions of views. Sell digital products, promote affiliate links, or run ads for passive income. Earnings potential: earn $2,000 to $10,000 per month through ad revenue and affiliate sales. Niche 3. The most popular and high-demand niche: tech and AI news. AI is evolving fast and people crave the latest updates. You can use VidAvatar AI to create engaging news reports about AI breakthroughs, software updates, and emerging tech trends. Many tech creators are making thousands per month by summarizing AI developments and reviewing tools. Earnings potential. Easily anyone can earn $2,000 to $7,000 per month by ad revenue and sponsorships. Fourth niche is health and fitness tips. Fitness and health content is a massive industry. AI avatars can guide people through workout routines, diet tips, and mental wellness strategies. You can monetize through YouTube ads, sponsorships with fitness brands, or selling digital meal plans and courses. Earnings potential. You earn $3,000 to $15,000 per month through ad revenue plus sponsorships plus digital products. Last and fifth niche is business and finance advice. People are always looking for ways to make and save money. With VidAvatar AI, you can easily create business and finance content, featuring AI avatars that share financial tips, investment advice, and business strategies. Many faceless finance channels earn 6 figures annually by leveraging AI to produce high-quality videos. And the best part? You can monetize in multiple ways: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital product sales. Earnings potential. In this niche, you can $5,000 to $20,000 per month from ad revenue plus affiliate commissions. Now let's discuss most important part: secret trick to maximize earnings. Wanna 10 times your earnings? And sell VidAvatar AI video services in many different platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Businesses are willing to pay $100 to $500 per video for professional AI-generated content. So, you've just seen how AI avatar videos can make you serious money. Now, it's time to take action. With VidAvatar AI, you can create and sell professional faceless videos in any niche with realistic avatars and voiceovers in 80+ languages, all in minutes. Don't wait. Start your faceless video business today. Click the link in the description and grab VidAvatar.